Click on the link below to get price. The Model E080 Dehumidifier is a robust option designed for those requiring effective moisture control in medium to large spaces. With a capacity to extract up to 80 pints of moisture per day, this unit is engineered for performance, making it an ideal choice for basements, large rooms, or areas prone to dampness. Upon unboxing, the first impression is that of a sturdy and well-constructed appliance. The sleek and modern design seamlessly blends into various environments, whether in a home, office, or workshop. One of the standout features of the E080 is its impressive moisture removal capability. The 80-pint extraction rate is highly efficient, particularly in high-humidity regions or seasons. Users will appreciate the rapid reduction in humidity levels, which not only creates a more comfortable living space but also helps to mitigate the growth of mold and mildew. The dehumidifier operates quietly, a significant plus for those sensitive to noise, allowing for use during day or night without disruption. The unit is equipped with smart technology that allows for easy humidity control. An intuitive digital display provides real-time humidity readings, allowing users to monitor the current moisture level in the air. Additionally, the humidity level can be adjusted to a desired setting, with options typically ranging from 35% to 85%. The auto restart function is particularly helpful during power interruptions, as it resumes operation with the previous settings, ensuring continuous moisture control without the need for manual adjustments. Another notable feature is the continuous drainage option. While the built-in 1.8-liter water tank is ample for most users, those dealing with exceptionally high humidity may find the need for uninterrupted operation. By connecting a standard garden hose to the unit, water can be drained directly into a floor drain or sump pump, eliminating the need for frequent tank emptying. The tank itself is designed with a transparent window, allowing users to easily monitor the water level, and an automatic shutoff feature activates when the tank is full, preventing overflow. Portability is also a key consideration in the design of the E080. The dehumidifier comes with built-in wheels and handles, making it easy to move from room to room. Whether you need it in the basement during humid summer days or in a bedroom to combat overnight moisture, the mobility of the unit is a significant convenience. Many users have expressed satisfaction with its lightweight design, allowing even a single person to maneuver it with ease. In terms of energy efficiency, the Model E080 is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. This is particularly appealing to eco-conscious consumers looking to minimize their environmental impact and save on energy bills. The unit operates with a relatively low power consumption rate, providing substantial moisture control without incurring high electricity costs. The E080 also comes with a range of safety features to enhance its usability. The built-in humidity sensor ensures that the unit operates only when necessary, conserving energy while maintaining an optimal indoor environment. Additionally, the dehumidifier has a child lock function, which is essential for families with young children. It prevents accidental changes to the settings. The durable construction and quality materials used in the dehumidifier give users confidence in its longevity and reliability. While the Model E080 is a powerhouse in moisture removal, it does have some limitations. A few users have reported that the noise level can increase when operating at maximum capacity, which could be an issue for sensitive individuals seeking silence. However, this is a common trait among powerful dehumidifiers, and the noise level is still within reasonable limits compared to many competitors. In conclusion, the Model E080 Dehumidifier, 80 pint per day, stands out as a top choice for anyone needing efficient and effective moisture control in larger spaces. Its high extraction capacity, smart technology features, energy efficiency, and portability make it an excellent investment for both residential and commercial applications. With its user-friendly design and robust safety features, the E080 not only enhances indoor air quality but also provides peace of mind for users concerned about humidity-related issues. Whether you're dealing with